Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to the second part of lesson 2 of our Colour Coded Noorani Qaida. Today we will continue our lesson on combining letters and recognizing them when they are joined in a word. We will continue from the section where we left off in part 1, which is from this point. We stopped over there, so we will start here today, inshallah. And then we will continue doing this page over here until the end on this side of the page. So we have quite a bit to cover. As usual, I am ready and excited to get started. So let us begin, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jim, ha, and kho. So looking to recognize these letters within a word. And just as a reminder, they are color coded so that you can easily identify the letters when we are reading them. Okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ha, tha, kho, ba, jim, ta, ta, ha, ta, ya, jim, ba, sod, ha, ba, ba, kho, ta. Okay, the next section is ta, ha, and ha. Ba, ta, ya, ha, ta, ha, ya, ha, ba, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim. Okay, let's carry on to the next page. And just as a reminder about the settings on the video, which you can change faster or slower depending on your preference. Okay, we are now doing Dal, Dal, Ra, and Za. Jim, dal, kho, dal, jim, ra, kho, za, ya, ra, ta, za, mim, dal, kaf, dal, fa, ra, mim, za. Good. Let's move to the next section. Sin, shin, sod, dod, to, and tho. Sin, lam, shin, lam, sod, ba, to, ba, dod, alif, sin, ra, shin, qaf, dod, ya, dho, alif. Very good. Now we move to Ain, Ghain, and Hamza. Ain, Za, Ghain, Ra, Sad, Ain, Dad, Ghain, Ba, Ain, Dal. I just want to point out the different changes. It's just interesting to see. Look at Ain over here, how the top part of it changes, and then look at Ain when it is in the middle of a word, how the entire bottom section isn't there any longer. So that is why we're going to be doing a lot of practice on this one, or I encourage you to practice it quite a bit, because it is quite a bit to learn, but we will get there, inshallah. Let's continue. Ba, Ain, Dal, Ta, Ghain, Dal, Alif, Hamza, Hamza, Waw, Hamza, Ya, Hamza. Okay, let us move to the last section of this lesson, which is Fa, Qaf, Waw, and Mim. Qaf, Waw, Fa, Waw, Fa, Qaf, Lam, Qaf, Fa, Lam, Ya, Fa, Kha, Mim, Kaf, Mim, Lam, Mim, Ta, Mim, Ta, Mim, Ta. Alhamdulillah, and very well done on completing part 2 of this lesson. Continue to practice, beloved students, and I will see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Love and salams.